Hi, I'm Sandhya Sapkota and my Coventry ID is 13705950 and my application is online tutoring platform. Now let's start the application. After the onboarding screen and the splash screen and onboarding screen, I'm taken to the login screen. Now let me try logging in with the invalid credentials. As you can see, I get an error saying the credentials are invalid. Now let's sign up with a new account. So I can either take a picture from camera or gallery. I will choose camera gallery for now. Let me fill in all the forms first. Now here I'm trying to sign up with sabyatasap@gmail.com and password as credentials. Okay, now the OTP has been sent to the email that we just entered. So let me check the OTP. As you can see, we have the email address with OTP. Now let's enter this OTP. The OTP is 187126. Now, after the OTP has been verified, registration process is complete. So now let's log in. Now the login has been successful, and this is the home page where the students can browse the tutors. Before creating any booking request, we need to load our wallet. So I have implemented Khalti for this. Let's load 1000 rupees. Okay, after the payment, the wallet balance uh, has been updated to 1000 rupees, and as we can see in the recent transactions, similarly in the notification, I get notified that I can mark this as read. Now I can click on any tutor's profile and I can see every detail about them. Can read more, and now all the subject that they can teach. Now let's book a session. Now in our booking my booking space, I can see that we have just made this booking request, and uh, our and it is in the pending status. As soon as we do this in the tutors dashboard, you can see that a new booking request is there. So let's say the tutor accepts it. Okay, after the tutor accepts it, we can see that the status has been changed to accepted, and in the my sessions there is a new session that is which is in the status of scheduled. Now, when the teacher starts the session, for example, here in the okay, now the tutor has started the session, and in my mobile app, I can click on the status has been changed to in progress, and I can click on join session button. As I do this, my name and everything has been fetched, and I can join the meeting right now. The session has been started between tutor and student. The tutor and student will chat with each other as well. As the teacher said hi, here is a message popping on the student's UI. Now, after the session is ended, we can see the status has been changed to completed. I can see the details of it. Now, in the wallet, as we can see, the balance has been deducted, and in the notification, session has been ended, and all the updates are shown here. Similarly, the student can also update their profile. The change is shown immediately in the application. This is how the application looks in tablet view. So this is the login page, this is the sign up page. Let's log in first. Okay, after logging in, this is the home page with browse tutors, and this is the my booking space, the session space. I can view the details and everything. I can also sort this with status, and this is the wallet page, the recent transaction history page, and notification page, the profile page. Let's also check in the landscape orientation. This is the profile page, this is the home page, this is the my booking space, this is the my session space, and this is the notification page. Okay, now let's see how the data is stored in MongoDB. As you can see, we have different collection for different entities. The user that we just created has been stored here. As you can see, Sisir Pandey, and this user is referenced by the student model, which is the role-based models for students and tutors. Similarly, there are other collections as well. Okay, now let's see how the testing has been performed. First, for use case testing, we have used Mockito and created mock dependencies. Now let me run the test for login use case. As you can see, all the 5 test cases have passed. Similarly, for register use case, all the 4 test cases have passed. For verify use case, all the test cases have passed. Now let's see how the block testing has been performed. Let's test the block test of booking block. As you can see, all the 5 test cases have passed. Now let's test the notification block. As you can see, all the test cases have passed here as well. Similarly, the tutor block test, all the test cases have passed. Now let's move to widget testing. First, the login widget. Let's test all the login widget tests. We can see that all the test cases have passed. Similarly, the notification widget test, we can see that all the test cases have passed. The profile view widget test, student profile, we can see that all the test cases have passed. Now let's run the test coverage. You can see that the authenticity and these were the files with the testing performed. Okay, so this is how the testing was done in Flutter project. For version control, Git and GitHub has been used. As we can see that we have 11 branches. The branches have been made as per the features. We have pulled all the pull requests have been closed. And overall, there are 128 commits which have been done over the extended period of time. In this project, I have used 2 sensors. First, the accelerometer sensor from SensorFloss package and light sensor from light package. Okay, the light sensor is used to toggle the dark mode and light mode of the application. For example, now the environment is light, bright, so the theme on the application is light. But if I cover this light sensor here, we can see that the dark mode has been activated. Similarly, the next sensor I have used is accelerometer, which detects shakes. For example, which is used in the notification page. But if I shake the phone, all the notification will be marked as read. Thank you.